Hello.
Hello.
Yep. Yep. Somebody is there.
For a few more people.
Yeah, we can wait for some more time. It's fine. Yep. Hi everyone. Sameera is going to make a masala tea today.
Hello. Namaskaram.
Yeah.
So, we already added 3 cups of vellum or water into the pot. And for the ingredients, you're gonna have to accommodate for how much water you have inside. So we have ginger.
You're going to add?
We're going to add ginger, cloves. Where's the pepper?
Crushed pepper.
The crushed pepper. Where's the powder?
No, we need not do the powder now.
Okay.
Just crushed pepper is enough.
And here's more pepper. I don't know what kind of pepper.
Cardamom.
That's cardamom, but this is pepper.
Chili.
Chili.
Green chilies.
Green chilies. And cinnamon.
Cinnamon she knows.
Yeah.
So for this much of ginger we need to take
Add this much.
yeah,
of
the crushed part only.
Yeah.
Yep. And what about tea?
Three.
So we are,
three
how many
spoonfuls-
cups of tea we are going to make today?
3 cups.
3 cups.
So we're gonna have to add 3 spoonfuls of tea leaves
Okay.
and about 6 or 7 spoonfuls of sugar because it won't make it as sweet if I just add 3.
Yeah.
So
Okay, let's start the
Yes.
process. The water starts boiling.
alright.
Okay, now first we are going to add tea powder.
1 2 Wait. Ona rendu moonu.
Yeah, say it. Did you guys hear that? She knows. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Now 2 cloves. 1 2 and
Take that plate in your hand. That will be easier.
alright, can you see it? All of this cinnamon.
Yes.
It's a lot of cinnamon here. All of this
No, just a pinch of
pinch, yes.
crushed pepper powder. Sorry, crushed pepper.
A pinch. All of these chilies. It's just
You can either take half or just fine.
extra spicy.
Yeah, she wanted extra spicy.
Yes.
Yeah. She had added all the. I took 1 whole chili, green chili. So she have added all the chili in it.
So like 3.
Yeah, 3 cardamoms. 3 crushed cardamoms.
Seeds are very hard to get out.
Okay. Now,
And then
finally,
crushed ginger, which is very wet. Damp. There we go.
okay, now,
And now the sugar.
yeah. Now she's going to add 7 teaspoon of sugar. You can add even more after tasting, or if you want it more sweeter, you can add it more. Say it loud.
4 5 Ara.
Era.
Era. There we go.
Yeah.
It's been a while. Okay.
Now, what are you going to do next? Close it with the lid.
Yeah. Wait for this to boil
For a while. For like, what time? Just 5 minutes or more, because it already started boiling. Yeah.
We already added everything into the tea. So, sorry, a little ignorant American girl.
No, you are not. She's really enthusiastic in doing stuff and cooking and studying.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's say something more about you.
I don't know what else. I mean, I have 4 sisters. No, 3 little sisters, and then I have a stepsister who's older than me. She's like 23. And then a stepbrother,
Kashi.
Kashi. And I turned 17 in 3 days.
Introduce your dad.
That's my dad. Benoy Shanker.
That's my dad, Benoy Shankar.
Yeah. And I'm 16, but I turned 17 in 3 days. So.
Yeah. She started driving a car.
Yep. I have a new car. It's blue and it's Volkswagen. So, pretty cool.
Start boiling.
Yeah, well,
We need to
actually,
just turn it high.
hello. I don't think it didn't start.
You need to
A
boil
little
it for a
bit.
while. Yeah. You need to reduce the quantity of water to 3 cups, because we have already added 3.5 cups of water in it. We need to
Okay.
reduce it to 3 cups.
It all depends on how much flavor you want to add into your tea. Like, you don't have to add all of this.
You can bring them on camera, right?
Yeah, bring them on camera.
Okay, so it start boiling. Now we are just reducing the quantity of water to 3 cups, because we have already 3.5 cups of water in it. So just waiting for it.
Tengo hambre. Tengo hambre.
Hey, what is that?
I'm
She's saying something in Spanish. I don't know Spanish.
I'm hungry. We already put everything into the tea, so now we're just waiting for it to... Well, it's boiling now, but
hungry.
I'm a witch.
What?
So tea's ready?
Yeah, just about.
At the same time. Yeah. Let's show this. So do you know
Now
what is
she's-
this, Mira?
Dosha batter?
Yes, dosha batter,
Okay.
idli batter. Yeah. Time to add milk.
Alright. Alright. Here's one.
Just be careful. Want me to hold the camera?
I think
fine?
it's
Okay.
it's fine. Yeah.
Okay, now.
Mm.
1.5 cup is enough.
There you go.
Let's boil it for a while, like 5 to 10 minutes.
I think the milk is there to accommodate for all the ingredients there too, so it's not as strong.
Yeah. It's actually light. I think it's not that too strong.
Yeah.
Consistency, it's right.
Yep.
It's not too strong or not too light.
That rhymed. Oh.
Yep. Our tea is good. It's fine.
Oops.
Yeah.
Stuff like that.
Yeah, it happens every time. So this is a tea now. It's fine. It's fun. See this? Okay. Let's take it from
So,
there.
yeah, let's check it out.
Okay guys, our tea is ready. Tea taster. And she loves tea, and this is her usual cup of tea. She just loves tea.
Every day.
Yeah.
My favorite drink.
You know how to make tea anyway.
Yeah. Well, I do make it. My mom's house sometimes. She likes it too. She's like, "Can you come up and make me tea?" So, yeah. So do you want me to start or this?
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead.
Might be a little hot.
No, don't worry. She likes hot tea.
Ah, very good. It's like extra spicy today. I can feel it at the back of my throat.
And, do you like the taste?
Very much so. It's
Okay.
delicious.
So, she's the one who makes it actually. I just make the arrangements only.
I just
So,
put
it's
the
a
stuff
big thumbs
in.
up for you.
Well, you're the one who, like, I just put the stuff in. You brought everything. I didn't know.
The quantity, but
Everything.
now you know, right? Are you confident to make it by yourself right now?
Oh, I don't know where all the ingredients are.
That's way tea.
You can just watch the video right now.
Yeah, that's true.
Sorry, the spice
So guys, thanks for watching.
Yeah, thank you. Goodbye.
See you on another next live segment. Bye.